next thing I want to ask you is like, what are molds? Okay, and why are they so expensive? What's a mold? Can you explain to us? And yeah, it's kind of expensive usually. What is that, and what's this all about?
Mold is a form of your product. When you, for example, you created a new product, it's something absolutely new, or for example, it's a product you change. You took one product and changed the button, you changed everything, but this product already exists. Chinese suppliers will offer you to make a mold, and they should create produce this mold because without it they can't just produce your product. Normally it's expensive because Chinese also they spend a lot of energy, a lot of money, and also they turn on this machine to make just one thing for you. So that's why this mold is expensive.
All right, so basically that's like a specific design. Let's say the product is like kitchen scissors, and we, by doing market research, understood that people need a little addition to the scissors that specifically cuts, I don't know, fish or something, something like this. And
Mm-hmm.
we can incorporate that into the scissors, which was not there before, but it's something that's still kind of looks like it's still the same scissors technically, but there is some addition. So then we consult, I guess, with the Chinese supplier and ask them if they can do something like this for us, right? And but then who does the mold? Like, do we need to hire an engineer, or is this like
Uh,
how complicated it is? You know what I mean? Like,
To create the design of your product, of course, you should have an engineer, and we have such a company we cooperate with. Yeah, they make a lot of designs and engineer a lot of projects, and then they get to us, and we help them to find a supplier in China. So first
interesting.
of all, yeah, you should have this drawing, you should have this project, and then we are searching for the factory in China, and they can produce this mold. Normally, I think it's like a plastic mold or something like this. Yeah, for different products, it's
Hmm.
different.
I understand what you mean.
And
Okay,
then Chinese suppliers, Chinese factories, they use this mold to set their machines to produce your product.
interesting. Like, I know it probably differs between product to product, but we're looking at like a few $1,000s at least, I believe, right? To create something like that, right?
Yeah, normally, like we had a lot of products. We already made a lot of molds, and normally it's differ from $2,000 to $5,000-$6,000.
Okay, so that's still affordable, I guess. Like, yeah, and then we have a different product, like, like, or at least a product that's, yeah, it's new, I guess, right? A mold is probably something new to the market, or a twist, at least, let's say, to a current product. Okay, cool.